Good morning, class 12th Commerce. This is your subject Economics, Chapter 5, India's Foreign Trade, Lecture 3. In this lecture, we shall discuss about inward-looking strategy or import substitution. In the previous two lectures, we discussed about foreign trade on the eve of independence and after independence. So let's begin. Inward looking strategy, also known as import substitution strategy. This means that producing imported goods domestically. Clear? So import substitution implies domestic production of those goods which the economy has been importing from rest of the world. Number 1 point. Now why this strategy was adopted? This strategy was adopted to protect the domestic industry from the foreign competition. Clear? And to utilize the foreign exchange for the developmental imports like import of plant and machinery which cannot be produced in the home country because of lack of technology or lack of investment funds. Clear? Suppose now if we'll import goods, we have to pay the other country in their currency. Fine, suppose we are importing from US, then we have to pay in dollars. So our country has dollars, our country has maintained such foreign reserves. It don't want to lose the foreign reserve. That's why it had stopped importing the goods. It start importing those goods which are necessary for the development, like plant and machinery, because those goods cannot be produced within the country, within the home country because of lack of technology. So कहने का मतलब ये है, आप सिर्फ वही चीज़ इंपोर्ट करो जो कि डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम आएगी, जो आप अपनी कंट्री में लैक ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी और लैक ऑफ फंड से नहीं बना सकते, बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ फंड और लैक ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी आप उसको नहीं बना पा रहे हो, तो सिर्फ वही चीज़ इंपोर्ट करो. ठीक है, गुड्स को इंपोर्ट मत करो, गुड्स को अपनी खुद की कंट्री में बनाओ. क्लियर? सो लाइक दिस दे प्रोटेक्टेड द डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्री फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल कॉम्पिटिशन. क्लियर? सो why did they do so? Two question can be framed. Why did they do so? Why the country adopted this this policy, this strategy to protect its domestic industry from the international competition. Secondly, to save the foreign exchange and to use that foreign exchange reserves in the developmental activities in importing the developmental goods. Clear? Now see, protection was given in two forms. I told you na ki there was protection in importing the foreign goods. So protection were given in two ways. Tariff quotas, that means more import duties were applied, more import taxes were applied. Fine. Quotas were fixed. There was limitation fixed on the import of certain goods. Let's understand two more terms. We did import substitution. Another term that is used, that is export promotion. There is a difference. Export promotion is a strategy to earn foreign exchange by promoting domestic exports and making domestic industry competitive in the international market. See, in import substitution, we are putting a restriction on imports. Fine. Whereas in export promotion, we are, encouraging more exports. So what do you think? Which is a positive strategy? Obviously export promotion, because if you will export more, you will earn more, you will earn the foreign exchange, you will earn the foreign revenue. Clear? Whereas in import substitution, you are protecting your domestic producers from the competition. Now if you will protect your producer from the domestic competition, so what do you think? Will there be variety of goods and services in the economy? Will your producer after few years be able to compete in the global market? No. Without competition, they will not be able to produce those goods and services which are in best quality. You will not be able to create a huge market for your goods because your goods are not of international quality. You will not be able to give more variety to your consumers. So that's why export promotion, where it's a positive strategy, it gives country the more foreign revenue, more foreign exchange, whereas import substitution although protect the domestic producer, but on the other hand it ruined the variety. See now, good impacts of inward looking strategy. Every coin has two sides, positive, negative. Good impacts of inward looking strategy, देखो, high rate of industrial growth with structural transformation. This means that despite green revolution, percentage contribution of industrial sector to GDP increased from 12% in 1951 to nearly 25% in 1991. There was almost it is just 13% increase from 1951 to 1991. Rising share of industrial sector in GDP is a sign of economic growth with structural transformation. Now what does this word mean, structural transformation? See, structural transformation means when there is a percentage increase of industrial sector in GDP and corresponding fall in the percentage share of agriculture sector. This means structural, मतलब structure बदल रहा है, structure का transformation हो रहा है, structure बदल रहा है. जहाँ पर agriculture dominate करता था वहीं पर अब industries dominate करने लग गई है. This is the meaning of structural transformation. Then diversification of industrial growth. Modern industry was no longer confined to textile and jute. Thanks to inward-looking strategy, industrial growth started producing engineering goods, variety of consumer goods, FMCG goods. Fine. So, owing to the inward-looking strategy, there was rise in IT industry, also known as sunrise industry. Clear? So there was diversification in their diversification of the industrial growth. Industries started producing variety of goods. Clear? Then opportunities of investment. Protection to small scale industries. See, protection to small scale industries offered new opportunities of investment for those who did not have much capital. It also implied use of latent resources in the country which otherwise would have remained idle. New investment opportunity implies new opportunities of self-employment. It promoted growth and equity. So there increased opportunity of investment, especially in the small scale industries. Are you clear with this? So good impact, high rate of industrial growth with structural transformation, diversification of industrial growth, opportunities of investment. Now let me clear one point. You might be having one doubt that in previous PPT, in the previous slide, I told you that it does not offer the variety of goods and services. Inward looking strategy. Fine. Yes, I told you that inward looking strategy does not offer variety of goods and services. One thing you understand, देखो, एक तो हम हर कंट्री से इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, एक हम सिर्फ अपनी कंट्री में ही गुड बना रहे हैं. आप वैरायटी बनाओगे, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ होगा, लेकिन क्या इन कंपैरिजन टू उसके होगा जब हम दूसरी कंट्री से इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं? नहीं ना. सो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ मतलब इंडस्ट्री दूसरा सामान प्रोड्यूस कर रही थी, बट अगर हम इंपोर्ट करते उसके कंपैरिजन कम प्रोड्यूस